Hello folks, very different review for you today. DYU have sent me this electric bike. It's called the A1F. It's a 16-inch full folding electric city bike. It's not a sponsored video, so you are going to get my open and honest on this. So here we are on the DYU website. As you can see, you've got 1 year warranty, 24-hour shipping, warehouses in the EU, warehouses in the UK. You can get this with either an EU or a UK plug. You will see the pricing is shown in euros, but obviously Google can help you with a quick conversion at the current rates. And they're also showing you a code here, DYU20, that gets you 20 euros off that price. Okay folks, so you do get a little key fob with this, so you can lock or unlock the bike with that. You power on just like this. You've got a reflector here, on-off switch for the headlights, they are built in. You've also got a rear brake light that responds to your braking, which is quite nice. We've got a very butch horn to let people know that you're coming. It's quite loud actually, so it would certainly serve its purpose well. Got disc brakes all around. As you can see, the bike folds from here, and it's quite a simple process. We'll turn it off first actually. Flick this up, pull that out, and off we go. It folds right back on itself, and then of course you've also got the ability to take the handlebars out, take the seat up, fold the pedals up, so you can fold it to really quite a compact size, as you probably saw in the unboxing at the start. The charge time for this is 4 hours, and they claim that gives you 18 miles of throttle mode, so that's no pedaling required at all. You just bomb up and down on it like you might an electric scooter or something. Now in pedal assist mode, it should give you up to 24 miles of range. And the bike's got a top speed of 15.5 miles an hour. Now I know you might find this difficult to believe, but I weigh over 90 kilos and this bike's only rated to 75 kilos. Despite that, actually it holds my weight completely fine, and I've been bombing around in our road and up and down here with no problems whatsoever. And I didn't see any noticeable change in the speed the bike was reaching between me and my very slim 10-year-old daughter. So I guess don't read too much into those weight limits. Now the weight of the bike itself, it's heavier than it looks. It's actually 47 pounds. And you certainly know when you've got hold of it. So if you did want this to sort of take into the city on a train, you would still need some muscles to maneuver it about. Having said that, it does fold up very compact in size. Right folks, we're now going to take this little beast for a ride so you can see what it's like in motion. Let's try and get this camera positioned properly. So I'm just turning on the bike here. If you want to turn the lights on, you just push that up or down to turn them off. You've got a horn here. Everything's super easy to adjust. I'm just on the pedals here. It's perfectly fine to pedal, but you don't have any gears. So a quick twist of the throttle and we're now in full assist mode. So this is working as a completely electric bike, no pedal input from me. And this is top speed. To be fair, it's more than quick enough. It's nice and comfortable. And it's just a nice way to get around. Now me and my wife have been using this as a bit of an electric scooter. So just doing short distances. And you could use it much like you might use a moped or something. You know, it's not great if you're in a massive rush, but just for local trips into town, it's absolutely perfectly adequate. No suspension on this obviously, so you will feel those speed bumps, but the seat's actually quite comfortable. You've also got disc brakes on it, so no problem stopping. So we're going at full tilt here, and quick application of the brake takes the throttle back off, so you give it another twist to get it started again. You just hold that throttle for about 5 seconds and then it sort of stays on by itself. No issues there. Very easy to control, all quite intuitive in fairness. When you get to your destination, say you arrive at your local shop or your post office or something and you want to leave the bike outside, you've got a little key fob so you can lock it. That means no one can start the bike or the alarm goes off. Yeah, that's right, it's got an alarm. How cool is that? So if you're in the market for an electric bike or even a little city bike, I'd strongly suggest you check one of these out because it's great. Folks, this is a big thumbs up from me. It's just brought a smile to everyone's face that's got on it and had a go, and lots of our friends have. It's got good range, it travels at a reasonable pace, you've got built-in lights, you can even lock the bike using that key fob. It's got plenty going for it. The only slight negative for me is the fact that it's a bit heavy for a folding bike, so even though you can get it into the boot of most cars without any problems, you do need a little bit of muscle to lift it in and out, but that really is a minor gripe in what's otherwise a very capable piece of kit. This one has been patchier than my hair, unfortunately, folks, because we've had some weather issues going on in the UK of late, as many of you will know. I also had some problems with my recording equipment while making this video, so apologies that the video seems a little bit all over the place. Let me off on this one, and hopefully this won't be my last electric bike review, because I've really enjoyed my time with this one. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you soon. And of course, folks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I think I'm going to spend an hour bombing around in the woods now, just because it's a laugh. Catch you on the next one.